Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about whether you can use Newton in the UK. This is a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and I'm happy to finally answer it for you. But before we get into the details, let's take a step back and talk about what Newton is. Newton is a financial technology company that offers a range of services, including personal banking, investing, and credit cards. It's a relatively new company, but it's already made a big splash in the UK market. Newton Services. So, what exactly does Newton offer? Well, let's start with personal banking. With Newton, you can open a current account and a savings account. You can also get a debit card and use Newton's app to manage your finances. When it comes to investing, Newton offers a range of options. You can invest in individual stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. You can also choose from a number of different portfolios, depending on your risk tolerance. And finally, Newton offers a credit card. This card comes with a number of perks, including cashback and travel rewards. Newton's pros and cons. Now that we know what Newton offers, let's take a look at the pros and cons of using it. Pros. Newton is a safe and secure platform. It offers a wide range of financial services. It's easy to use and manage. It has a number of competitive features, such as cashback and travel rewards. Cons. Newton is a relatively new company, so it doesn't have as much experience as some of its competitors. It's not available in all countries. Its fees can be higher than some other providers. Can you use Newton in the UK? So, can you use Newton in the UK? The answer is yes. Newton is available in the UK, and you can open an account and start using its services right away. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, Newton is not available to everyone in the UK. You must be at least 18 years old and have a valid UK bank account. Second, Newton's fees can be higher than some other providers. Is Newton right for you? So, is Newton right for you? That's a question that only you can answer. But if you're looking for a safe and secure platform that offers a wide range of financial services, then Newton is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you answer the question of whether you can use Newton in the UK. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if you're interested in learning more about Newton, be sure to check out their website. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.